Picture this, a vast, silent expanse of space, where stars burn brightly in the night, galaxies spin in elegant spirals, and unseen forces govern the universe in ways we're only beginning to understand. Amid this cosmic ballet, one phenomenon stands out, a singular, powerful entity that shapes the very fabric of reality itself. This is the world of black holes, immense, invisible giants that, despite their name, are far from simple. They are not just holes in space. They are windows into a universe far stranger and more mysterious than we ever imagined. A black hole doesn't just distort space. It bends time, warps light, and devours anything in its path, including entire stars, clouds of gas, and even light itself. To call them otherworldly is an understatement. These cosmic giants don't just challenge the limits of our understanding. They shatter them, forcing us to rethink everything we thought we knew about the universe. So what exactly is a black hole? To understand this incredible phenomenon, we need to peel back the layers of space-time itself. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so intense that it warps the very fabric of space-time, creating a gravitational pull that nothing, not even light, can escape. That's why they're called black holes, because light itself is trapped within them, rendering them invisible to our eyes. But where do these gravity monsters come from? Most black holes form when a massive star collapses in on itself, undergoing a catastrophic collapse that causes the matter to condense into an incredibly tiny, infinitely dense point, the singularity. Around this singularity lies the event horizon, the point beyond which not even light can escape the black hole's clutches. You might wonder, if black holes are invisible, how do we know they exist? The answer lies in their effects on nearby matter. The gravity of a black hole is so intense that it bends the path of nearby stars, gas clouds, and even light itself. This subtle warping reveals the black hole's presence, even though it cannot be seen directly. Now here's where things get really mind-bending. Black holes can warp both space and time. This phenomenon is a consequence of Einstein's theory of general relativity, which describes how massive objects distort the fabric of space-time. Imagine space-time as a trampoline. When you place something heavy, like a bowling ball, on it, the fabric stretches and bends under the weight. This is exactly how black holes work, except on a cosmic scale. A black hole's gravity is so powerful that it bends space and time around it. This warping doesn't just happen locally, it affects everything in its vicinity. The closer you get to a black hole, the more extreme the effects become. In fact, as you approach the event horizon, time itself starts to slow down. To someone far away from the black hole, an object falling toward it appears to slow down and freeze at the event horizon. But from the perspective of the object falling in, time behaves as normal. You would continue to fall, unaware of the strange effects occurring outside. The effect is known as gravitational time dilation. It's as if you've crossed into a realm where the usual laws of time and space no longer apply. To further understand this, imagine that you're falling toward a black hole. As you near the event horizon, everything outside the black hole starts to blur and fade. Stars, galaxies, even the fabric of space itself becomes distorted. And if you fall in, your journey could take you to the singularity, a place where both space and time become meaningless, and the laws of physics as we understand them break down entirely. But black holes don't just sit there silently. They can collide, creating some of the most violent and energetic events in the universe. When two black holes spiral towards one another and eventually merge, they produce gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time that travel across the universe at the speed of light. These gravitational waves are so faint that they go unnoticed by our eyes. But with incredibly sensitive detectors, we were able to hear the sound of the universe itself. In 2015, scientists at the LIGO Observatory made a groundbreaking discovery when they detected the first gravitational wave, a signal from the collision of two black holes. The ripples in space-time created by this collision sent shock waves across the universe, and we heard them for the first time. This discovery was nothing short of revolutionary. It was the first direct evidence of black hole mergers, confirming that these events are happening far beyond our detection range. The ability to detect these waves opens up a completely new way of studying the universe, one where we can hear black holes colliding and learn things about the universe we never thought possible. And then there's the ultimate black hole, the supermassive black hole. These behemoths reside at the center of nearly every major galaxy, including our own Milky Way. Some supermassive black holes weigh as much as billions of times the mass of our Sun. But how do these giants form? Scientists still aren't entirely sure, but one thing's for certain: they didn't get so big overnight. Over billions of years, supermassive black holes may have grown by consuming stars, gas, and smaller black holes, slowly accumulating mass and power. The supermassive black hole at the heart of our galaxy, Sagittarius A*, holds 4 million solar masses in its singularity, yet it remains relatively quiet. It's not currently consuming any massive amounts of gas or stars. Despite their enormous size, supermassive black holes don't just sit and wait. They play a crucial role in shaping their host galaxies. In fact, some scientists believe that the formation of galaxies and the growth of supermassive black holes are deeply intertwined. The intense radiation produced by matter falling into these giants can regulate star formation, influencing the very evolution of their galaxies. As incredible as supermassive black holes are, they're also insatiable beasts that will consume anything that dares to cross their path. This process is known as accretion, and it's what allows black holes to grow over time. When gas, dust, or even entire stars get too close to a black hole, they're pulled in by its gravity and spiraled toward the event horizon in a process that forms a bright accretion disk. The friction between particles in the disk heats them to incredibly high temperatures, making them shine so brightly that they can outshine entire galaxies. This is the feeding frenzy of a black hole. Yet, even as they devour matter, black holes are not just destroyers. They also release energy. As material falls into the black hole, it heats up and emits powerful radiation, often in the form of X-rays. These rays can illuminate vast regions of space, revealing the inner workings of the black hole and its surroundings. The powerful jets of particles ejected from the poles of supermassive black holes can even influence galactic evolution, regulating star formation by pushing away gas and dust. But what happens if you fall in? Can you ever escape once you've crossed the event horizon? Unfortunately, no. The gravitational pull near a black hole is so powerful that even light itself is stretched and distorted. This is known as spaghettification. As you approach the event horizon, your body would be stretched like spaghetti, pulled in by the intense tidal forces. And once you've crossed the point of no return, there's no escape. The moment you pass through the event horizon, time and space as we know them cease to exist in the way we understand. Spaghettification would occur, and your fate would be sealed as you are drawn toward the singularity, the point where all the black hole's mass is concentrated. The singularity is a place where the laws of physics break down and all conventional concepts of space, time, and matter cease to apply. Despite their menacing reputation, black holes are more than just cosmic monsters. They are essential pieces of the puzzle when it comes to understanding the universe. Studying black holes has the potential to unlock the deepest secrets of space, time, and even the fundamental nature of reality itself. Black holes provide the perfect laboratory to study the extreme limits of physics, where quantum mechanics and general relativity collide. By studying these cosmic behemoths, scientists hope to uncover the ultimate theory of the universe, one that unites the two pillars of modern physics. In the years to come, new technologies like the Event Horizon Telescope, the instrument responsible for capturing the first ever image of a black hole shadow, and the study of gravitational waves will allow us to study black holes in ways we've never dreamed possible. We are on the cusp of unveiling the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. Black holes may seem like dark, terrifying voids, but they are, in reality, some of the most fascinating and profound objects in the universe. Each discovery about black holes brings us closer to answering some of the most fundamental questions of existence.